Caribbean Wellness Day was established by the heads of government of the Caribbean Community, CARICOM, in September 2007 as one of the region's responses to the threats posed by non-communicable diseases or NCDs. The observance of Caribbean Wellness Day is geared at increasing awareness and promoting activities to address non-communicable diseases. This day is observed on the second Saturday in September and will be observed this year on Saturday 13th September 2025 under the theme Engage, Empower, Elevate and the sub-theme Working Together to Improve Health and Well-being for All. This theme was developed to underscore the necessity for collaboration and inter-sectoral approaches in helping to reduce the incidence of non-communicable diseases, NCDs, and improve the management of these diseases in our region. Over the past 3 decades, non-communicable diseases such as diabetes, cancer, cardiovascular diseases, and chronic lung diseases have replaced infectious diseases as the leading cause of death in the world. The World Health Organization, WHO, estimates that at least 75% of all deaths worldwide are as a result of NCDs, and that the majority of the deaths which occur from these chronic diseases occur in lower and middle-income countries like Saint Lucia. In Saint Lucia, NCDs such as cardiovascular diseases, diabetes, cancer, and chronic respiratory diseases continue to contribute to at least 80% of the total deaths every year. The direct and indirect demands and costs associated with diseases like diabetes, cardiovascular diseases, and cancer, and their risk factors, pose a significant burden on healthcare systems, particularly in countries with limited resources like Saint Lucia. This year's theme places significant focus on the Caribbean Plate, which was endorsed by the Caribbean Public Health Agency, CARPHA, in observance of Caribbean Wellness Day 2025. The Caribbean Plate highlights the various factors that influence health and well-being. Our Caribbean Plate, and more specifically as the recently launched campaign by the Ministry of Health, Wellness and Elderly Affairs, My Plate, A Healthy Plate, reminds us of the importance of a healthy diet in the pursuit of health and wellness. It also offers us an opportunity to focus on locally grown produce and traditional cooking methods using healthier portion sizes. This healthier dietary approach will complement the other healthy lifestyle choices like engaging in sufficient age-appropriate physical activity. The consumption of an unhealthy diet is one of the major risk factors for NCDs, and the trends across the Caribbean indicate that there is an insufficient intake of fruits and vegetables, while the consumption of unhealthier food options continues to rise. This Caribbean Wellness Day 2025, we call on all government agencies, with heavy focus on the Ministry of Agriculture, Ministry of Education, Ministry of Commerce, non-governmental agencies, including restaurant owners and school canteens, communities, families, and individuals, to join the shared commitment to healthier living and reducing the burden of NCDs in Saint Lucia. Together, we can do what our heads of government mandate: engage, empower, and elevate our communities into action as we continue to work together to improve the health and well-being for all Saint Lucians.